Hey guys, so today we're going to test out the difference between the Rodelink lav mic that I have right here versus the Rode NT1A condenser mic. Now these mics are both kind of on a different spectrum. This is a large diaphragm condenser microphone and this is a very small dynamic microphone. This one is built for a wireless system. Right now I actually have it plugged directly into the camera through this cord. And then it should also be noted that this lav mic is plugged directly into the camera's preamps, whereas this mic is going to be plugged into this $200 preamp up here. So slightly different preamps, but I'm thinking the sound quality is going to be more or less the same regardless of those two variables. I'm going to read some lyrics and I'll read them in both microphones at the same time, and I'll switch between the two microphones in the video. Big wheels keep on turning, carry me home to my kin. Singing songs about the Southland, I miss old Bammy once again, and I think it's a sin. Well, I heard Mr. Young sing about her. Well, I heard old Neil put her down. Well, I hope Neil Young will remember, a Southern man don't need him around anyhow. In Birmingham, they love the governor. Now, we all did what we could do. Watergate does not bother me. Does your conscience bother you? Now, Muscle Shows has got the Swampers. And they've been known to pick a song or two. Yes, they do. Lord, they get me off so much. They pick me up when I'm feeling blue. But in a larger sense, we cannot dedicate, we cannot consecrate, we cannot hallow this ground. The brave men living and dead who struggled here have consecrated it far above our poor power to add or detract. The world will little note nor long remember what we say here, but it can never forget what they did here. It is rather for us to be here dedicated to that great task remaining before us, that from these honored dead we take increased devotion to that cause for which they gave the last full measure of devotion, that we here highly resolve that these dead shall not have died in vain, that this nation under God shall have new birth of freedom, and the government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from this earth. So hopefully that test helped you guys out in some way or another. I linked these microphones and that thing and the camera down in the description below. See y'all later.